excited for our canyoneers. Quite nervous. Medyo kami. This is Ryan. MTV Live. Tommy from Finland. Bangon Falls for our canyoning. So this is the guys from Catbalogan. Hi guys again. So now we're riding a motorcycle going to Bangon, San Andres. Amoy na ng mga pinakabanggitan ng mga participants.
Another round, I was trying to get wasted in this bar at the station. I thought I could drink myself away. I was wrong and I acted like a stupid kid, and I know I haven't changed. I tried to be brave, but I wasn't okay. I wasn't okay, not at all. I kept it all inside and began to fall. Once upon a time, there was a boy who wanted to fly. One day, he died trying. He said it was worth a try. Good morning, everybody. Oh, how much I need to do.
It's more fun. Extreme!
Tawan, nando. Sige, hinay-hinay lang. Oo, sige mo, kasi. Ayun nila. Kali. Sige.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you,
Lokso natin.
and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fun. I can't control my brain. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. When you're on a golden sea, you don't need no memory. Just a place to call your own. If we drift into the zone,
Jumper of the world.
on an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fun. I can't control my brain. We'll run away together. We'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel that anymore. Hip, hip. Hip, hip.
Oh, the guys was already coming.
Hip,
They
hip.
already finished camping. Lots of jumping. Lots of jumping. Did you enjoy it?
Island in the sun, we'll be
Exciting. Joy. So they're going now to eat our lunch. So we take a rest. And lunchtime here in Bangon Falls. Yeah. So we have still 6 waterfalls to go. So we need to eat because already 1 o'clock. We need energy to jump. Okay, what can you do?
Rasa.
Yeah, we have a lechon. Lechon, I do more rice. Yeah. Lunchtime. After eating, we still go canyoning. Going that next waterfalls over there. The guys are already preparing, so later they're going to this bridge. Jump again there. So now they're going down to the next waterfall. Yeah. The next waterfall.
The smokestack spitting like soot into the sunny sky. The road on the road brings a tear to the Indian's eye. The elephant won't forget what it's like inside his cage.
So now they're ready to jump.
That's the telecast that sings on an empty stage. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day.
Okay.
Girl with the curls and the sweet pink ribbon. despair. Finger on the trigger, let me tell you, it's quite a scare.
I'm about to go down there.
Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Kids with their lyrics and their lips hear that crazy sound. My neighbor digs the flavor, still is moving to another town. And I don't believe he'll come back. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. I don't know how you're taking all the shit you see. You don't believe it, only the coast of
Hey, freedom!
Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day. Goddamn right, it's a beautiful day.
That was sweet.
You enjoy it?
Yes, I did, thank you.
Okay.
Time again. Tiring.
Survivor! Literal extreme jumping,
At least survive.
At least na-survive.
Yeah. Good. Enjoy canyoning in Samar. It's only here in Bangon Falls, Catbalogan City. If you want to try canyoning, just contact us.
As a young girl,
And we will bring you to the extreme jumping.
Louis Vuitton with your mother.
Ano, what can you say?
Very nice. Canyoning here in Catbalogan City. So what are you looking for? Just come here.
As a sophomore with reggaeton and the linen, you're sitting on